Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I need art therapy, and what I do for fun is paint. And I have a container and I'm going to stick some paint in it on the off chance that I'm going to use it. And I don't know that that's going to be the truth or not, but I'm going to give it a shot. And I don't often start with magenta, but I don't often start with the colors I'm using either, so we also have no idea what's going to happen with this. It's incredibly hot out here today, probably not as hot as the rest of the country from what I've heard on the news. So I am out here with something frozen around my neck trying to survive the heat, and I've been stuck in the house doing editing for a few days just because I lost a student. My created shovel is leaking. Oh well, must be time to be done with it. Whatever comes out the other end is the way it goes, I guess. I can't stop. Alright, well, let's hope it doesn't all leak out. It looks like it wants to, though. Alright, well, I'm going to get all the schmutz I can off of there. And I'm probably going to spread a little paint around. And I might tip a little paint, too. Alright, we're not losing anything great by going on with that. I don't use magenta nearly enough, and I want to see what happens with some magenta. Same thing for colors I don't usually use. I just want to try some different stuff. I have some gold. Here it is. The gold I'm looking for. So I'm going to put some more colors on there. What else? I don't use enough of this. Alright, so I'm getting close to something. I'm not sure what that something is. And yes, I am. I'm just squeezing. That's white metallic. I think there might be more Floetrol in that than white metallic at this point in time. Just seems that way. I want some of this. We don't know. I said that already. We don't know what's going to go on now. Or what different colors would combine to make. But I do have an edge catcher. I am inclined to use it. Oh wait, I can't waste all that paint, so I'm going to have to do something with it. Which is use a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and scrape it out. And then I'll tape it up again later, because obviously my tape did not make it. And I'm going to use my beautiful colors. I hope there isn't too much schmutz in there. Schmutz. And put that in the bucket too. Alright, edge catcher right there. Spatula into the bucket. I think a little more of that Art Minds pink. A bunch of places. Hopefully I'm right. Oh, and I've got a bottle to use up of that purple. And that's going in the bucket as well. So I'm going to let it all run for a ways. See what happens to it. Kind of like that black more than I thought I would. And I want more. There it is. And I almost never give myself permission just to go crazy with the black. So let's do that once. Because we can. The name of my book on the Amazon link below. Show more. That'll give me some paint to pool, I see. And then, if I'm lucky, I'll be able to throw it back, scrape it off, and maybe even tilt it down to the other end. Sounds like somebody's alarm is going off in the neighborhood. That makes me want to add a bunch of white in there. Strange alarm. We have some really neat cells happening. I'm going to have to stick my thumbprint in that side and unstick the edge catcher from my arm. It's very hot out here, I did mention that. And I'm going to rock that edge catcher once that paint pools and let the paint roll down the side also. That cannot be a bird. That has to be something else. It's just not my perfect day. That's all there is to it. I'm going to take my white. What am I going to do with it? Good question. I am ultimately distracted by the strange alarm sounding bird. Go figure. I'm going to pull some of that in spirit. Alright, well that's different. I want more orange. I like this orange and I think I want a whole bunch more of it. And I do have quite a bit of paint in here. Good thing I use GAC 800 by Golden. And that keeps it from cracking. I think. Those two spatulas have got to go in the bucket. And what I want to do is swivel this around. Use a cleaner edge catcher, even though it might be a little too big. Let that paint go down over there. That orange paint. I was kind of hoping it was going to get thrown back in, but I think if we join it with some other paint, we'll probably be okay that way. It's a very, very expressionist, abstract art, accidental artwork. And I'm just going to fill in and look for a few gaps. And I think I'm probably going to call it good in a second. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, asking for your thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm know where to place my artwork. And I really appreciate your help with that. On the end screens, there's a contest every month where if you decide to be a contributor to help keep the studio rolling, you'll be entered in that contest to win one of those artworks you can find there. And I don't know what the August contest will be like, but I haven't drawn the name for the July one yet. And it'll be 10 by 10s on that end screen. There's over 73,000 of you at this point in time. I want to thank you guys for all of you for subscribing. Tell you that I love you. And if you shop my Amazon link below the video, you will find the OXO omelet turning spatula and the Princeton Art Pool Catalyst spatulas, like so, 1 through 4, and gold mica powder and canvases and all kinds of other cool things. And I like that orange, but it's looking a little lonely to me, and I kind of want some more. And I didn't set my timer, I just realized. And my tip was a little clogged. And I'm probably going to run out of time. So I'm going to tell you whatever else I need to tell you right now while I can. Just dipping my skewer in. This is quite the piece, actually. I really like it a lot. So I'm going to torch and say that was my art therapy. I use no silicone to get cells in my artwork. We torch to release patterns in the paint and the bubbles that get mixed in. Because if they form after you put your artwork up to dry for the night, they will stay bubbles or they will become little craters when they pop. So I have Expressionist Art Studio Gallery pages on Facebook, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is where students go, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is where collectors go. And if you find a shop more button there, it'll take you to my Fine Art America and pixels.com, and you can see all kinds of stuff I've been doing for years. And I've got a little bit of canvas showing on my edges, and I'm probably going to be scraping some of this paint off my tile and checking my edges after you're gone. I'm telling you guys to come again and check for another 700 and plus videos, probably 750 pretty quick here on the end screens. And say thank you for all the great comments. Thank you guys. You make my day. You keep my morale up. It's not always the easiest thing. And thank you so much for supporting me while I make videos for you guys every day. If not for you, I don't think it would have happened. So thank yourselves for keeping me going by your contributions to the studio. I need your thumbs up, so if you would give it to me, I would so much. I would be very pleased. How about that? And I told you guys I love you before, so I'm going to tell you again. I'm not throwing any chain in there. I'm not going to do much of anything. Well, I say that. And then I just have to do something. Even though I probably shouldn't. Cool. No, I'm pretty good. Am I good? I'm pretty good. Alright. I'm going to go now before the recording stops, which is likely. So you guys take care. Check out the end screens. I love you. I'll see you in the next video, hopefully. Bye for now. Priscilla out.